The very well-known trial of YNW Melly has officially been deemed a mistrial after 19 days of arguments and a little over 14 hours of deliberation from the jury. In October of 2018, YNW Melly and one of his close friends, YNW Portland, were involved in a shooting that killed two of their friends, Anthony Williams, aka Sack Chaser, and Christopher Thomas, aka Juvie. Now, Melly and Portland maintain that a drive-by shooting took place and they were just lucky enough to not get shot. Prosecutors later have been trying to prove that it was Melly and Portland that staged a drive-by scene and had actually killed both of their friends. So next up, the state will have to decide whether they want to retry this case. If they do, the new trial will get a new jury. And if Melly's found guilty, he could face life in prison. The state's got 90 days to announce its intentions to retry the case. If they don't, Melly's team will request that the charges are dropped. For the immediate future of Melly and Portland, pretty much a judge will have the final say so if they are going to get a bail right now or not. Again, I'm sure Melly and Portland's teams are going to fight for a bail. They're like, yo, bro, you're wasting our clients' time. Our clients could get back to work and do other things with their life. They've already had to wait long enough for this high-profile case to finish. In reality, it's up to the judge to make a decision on if Melly and Portland will get a bond. According to Law and Crime Network, the next hearing for this case will be July 28th, where we will find out more details. Look, I watched a few clips from the Law and Crime Network's YouTube channel that had pretty much been showing every bit of evidence and every bit of video from this trial, and my premise remained the same from the jump. I thought Melly had a good chance of beating this. Now, technically, he did not beat it. Technically, he didn't lose either. We're at a standstill. The jurors just couldn't make a decision in either direction. Some believe he did, obviously, and some believe he didn't. So we're kind of just at a stalemate right now. But obviously, Melly's team got to look at this as a win. And I'm sure they feel very confident that they will be able to once again prove their client's innocence if this case is retried, which I believe it will likely be retried. Obviously, the state's not happy about not winning this case, where there seemingly was a lot of evidence in their favor going into this trial. If I'm going to be honest with you, Melly's team did a number on the state's case. Gotta call it a fact. Like, Melly's team worked diligently to punch holes in every argument that the prosecution presented. You add on the fact that a lot of the evidence that the state had against Melly, you just couldn't use it. For example, there was some text messages that Melly exchanged with certain people that was circumstantial at best. There was a gun that was seen on Melly's Snapchat days before the shooting. You know, again, trying to use that against Melly when you couldn't find the gun, you're asking too much. You're playing too much woulda, coulda, shoulda games. And obviously, to me, the most damning evidence is the fact that Melly, an artist, made a record a year prior to all this happened called Murder on My Mind. It's kind of tough to use that as evidence against Melly when the record was recorded before the alleged murder took place. So I don't know if Melly or Portland did it. All I'm saying is the state didn't prove it. What's up, everybody? It's yours truly. I'm the one and only. I'm your boy, FERRO. If you are enjoying the great quality content, make sure you put yourself in position to get more of your boy. For music news, updates, and commentary, make sure you're following and subscribe to me on Facebook and YouTube at itsmrtaliaferro. For basketball news, highlights, and commentary, make sure you're following and subscribe to me on Facebook and YouTube at FERRO. It's free 99 to you. It truly means the world to me. Let's run these numbers up. I appreciate the time, love, and support.